Hello friends! Would you like to learn one of the coolest editing effects you can do inside of CapCut, like zooming in and zooming out? Increasing the volume in your video when necessarily. Changing the color effect from color to black and white. And having moving objects in your video? You can do all of these inside of CapCut using keyframes. Let's open up CapCut and get right into it. What are keyframes? Keyframes allows you to make changes to all the different elements in your timeline by placing points at different parts of the timeline. If these doesn't make complete sense, then it's okay. It's usually a lot easier if you see these done in action. Import the videos that you want to work with. I will be using these videos. Click on the blue plus sign to add these videos to the timeline. So let's go ahead and start our first keyframe effect, which is the zoom in, zoom out effect. Click on that video clip, then go over to the feature panel. We will be using 3 keyframes for this effect. Under Video, click on Keyframes, which is this diamond symbol. But before you click on the keyframe, make sure the headline is in the right position for the first keyframe. I will put the first keyframe right here. And then I will put the second keyframe right here. And the third keyframe at the end of the video clip. Go back to the second keyframe, click on it, and then go to the scale to drag it, like this. You can also scale it by clicking on the up arrow, like this. Let's play our video. You can also make dramatic zoom in by placing the keyframe very close to each other. You will only need to use 2 keyframes for this effect. If you want the zoom in to be slow, then place the keyframes farther apart, like this. Next, we will add volume effect. A lot of creators will do this on their video. Add any music that you want to the video clip. This time, we will add the keyframes, very similar to the zoom in and zoom out. But this time, we will add the keyframes to the music track. We will add the first keyframe where you want to increase the music volume, and the second keyframe where you want to start decreasing the volume, and then the third keyframe to go back to the original volume. Now, go back to the second keyframe and drag the scale to increase the volume, or click on the up arrow. Let's play our video clip. Next, we will add color effect, going from color to black and white. Scroll over to the right and click on Adjustments. Scroll down to Saturation. This is where we will add the keyframes. On the video, place the first keyframe, then place the second keyframe, and then the third keyframe. On the second keyframe on the video, under Saturation, drag the scale to 0. This will give the black and white effect. Let's play the video. Our last keyframe that I will show you will be moving objects within the video. Go to Stickers on the top. You can choose any stickers you like or any moving objects that you want to add to your video. Same concept applies as the previous. I will choose a heart. I will resize it to make it smaller and move the object over here so that you don't see it. For this effect, we will add the keyframe in the heart in the position keyframe. Place the first keyframe on the heart, and then the second keyframe, and then the third keyframe. Go back to the second keyframe, click on it, and then on the heart objects, drag it wherever you want it to be, like this. Let's play the video. That was so much fun and added so much value to our videos. If you find this video helpful and valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that I can continue to create more free tutorials like this. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.